Oh, today we are making flaxseed gel for natural hair, and so you will need 2 cups of water, which I already put inside the pot, and also a quarter cup of flax seed, which is called here in Germany Leinsaat or Leinsamen. So I'm going to put that inside here. Just quarter, like that. And then we are going to add it inside the water. Now we are going to let that boil until it becomes a thickened consistent. So I'm going to use my, if I can find it. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to use my whisk. So now I'm going to whisk it until it starts to boil and thicken. So while waiting for it to boil, I can give you a little bit of information. You know, we mothers were multitasking, so on the other part I'm also cooking rice. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so there are 3 ways in which one can do the flaxseed gel. The first one is to soak the flaxseed overnight in water and strain it out the next day. Then you have your gel. The second one is also what I'm doing right now, cooking it. Yeah? And the third one, you can also do it into a microwave. So you would heat up the water and the flaxseed for 5 minutes on high power in the microwave, and then you will also strain the seed as usual to get the gel. Then you can also store the jar in a fridge or even freeze it. This lasts up to 2 weeks. I am also going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into my flaxseed mix, the gel. Yeah, because apple cider vinegar improves the scalp, it strengthens the hair and enhances shines. It helps also lower the pH value, and it brings back balance into the hair. I guess you all know what pH value is, but it means that it is a power hydrogen, and it is a scale of how to measure how much acid is contained in our products, household products or our hair products. So for the flaxseed, we are going to boil the water and then strain it out. And you can also add your favorite oil into the mixture. Yeah, and so we'll continue. You can also know a little bit about flaxseed. It is a hair gel, very natural, inexpensive, and it's suited for curly or wavy hair. It defines and moisturizes without creating stickiness or crunchiness, and it lasts about 2 weeks in the fridge, so it can also be frozen to use later. Yeah, so you see, we are doing something healthy to our hair and our bodies. I think you all know that you can also put the flaxseed into yogurt or the muesli or your tea, whatever. No, it's very healthy, so you can also eat it as well. Put it on salad and whatever. Yeah, so now I am stirring until it's sticky. Watch my rice at the same time too. That looks good. Do that. So my rice is almost done, and I'm still mixing, stirring. Yeah, when you put this flaxseed on your hair, whether freshly washed, which is actually recommendable, then you can use it to saturate the hair, and this will be even more effective if you allow the hair to air dry. It will feel softer, no stickiness, no crunchiness, and you can style as usual. Yeah. Still mixing. But I can also show you what I got. I didn't find a glass jar, but you know we always have old jar, old stocking. So I already prepared my jar with its cover to pour the flaxseed into it, but we do not do it hot. We of course we have to put it down on the side until it cools down a bit. Yeah, so let me see, how does that look? Okay, it's coming, it's coming. So you, today we are cooking for our hair. That's not funny. Yeah, but I think we all like natural stuffs more than the chemical stuff. So why not do this? It's for our own benefit, for our own health as well. So we put out the sacrifice and the effort to do this. Yeah. So I will let it cook a little bit more, and then we will just cool it down, and then we strain it out. I think I could have made some more, but anyway, let's just use this for first. So I am going to turn off the stove, put it on this side, let it cool down, and when I'm straining it out, then I will also show that to you. Until later. Now it is cool completely, so now I can take my jar and then I can pour it inside. So here I have, you know, a jar, any type of jar you can use. Just need to close it, and this is the, now I'm going to put it inside. And squeeze out everything in it. Does look really yucky. Yuck. Okay. Drop, drop, drop. Yeah. So we got out everything. Now all I'm going to do is, thanks, lift up the stocking and just squeeze out the gel. And today I am going to try and hairstyle with it. So you can twist it around until it becomes tight. And then you get out also every juice out of it. So I squeeze until my hands hurt, so that means I got out everything. And you can just get rid of this. It was not that clean stocking, so I would just throw it away. Otherwise, you could have used this in food or in yogurt or in a drink, but I will just throw it away. So that's my flax seed gel. As you can see, it's like that. Okay, now I'm going to use that into my hair. So I hope this was helpful to you, and that you will try too. This is my favorite oil, argan oil. I'm going to drop just maybe yeah, a tablespoon inside of it, and mix it. Let me smell it. Well, it smells natural. I'll cover, and now I can use it. And as I said, you can put it also into the fridge or the freezer. So I would say I will try to get a bigger jar and make more and freeze it. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you like, and we will be happy to see your comments in the comment section below. All right then, bye. I just finished doing a 2-strand twist with the flaxseed gel. Yeah, and it was a little bit slimy, but it was also good to work with. Yeah, and on my shirt you can see all the dripping, so doing this would be good to put on some old t-shirt or so on. Yeah, and then on the table I have the hair from shedding. This is the amount that shedded, so I think it's okay. Well, this always frightens me, but I think it's normal. Yeah, well, let's see how long this hairstyle will last for, and yeah, see you in our next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.